Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Snowboard Roller Bags is probably one of the most important investments a snowboarder can make, ensuring your precious equipment arrives at the mountain safe and sound, and that your trip is smooth and stress-free. This video will help you navigate the world of snowboard bags and find the perfect one for your needs, covering everything from size and durability to features and price points, so you can confidently choose a bag that will keep your gear protected and make your travels easier. Number 5. Athletico Conquest Padded Bag. This bag is designed to protect your snowboard during travel. Its padded construction and durable materials ensure your equipment arrives safely at your destination. It's padded on every side with 10 mm of dense foam. This keeps your snowboard and boots safe from bumps and scratches. It comfortably fits snowboards up to 157 cm, internal straps secure it, preventing movement and maximizing space. Heavy-duty wheels and an all-weather bottom make it easy to maneuver through airports and parking lots. No more struggling with heavy gear. Made from 600D water-resistant polyester with a thermal, waterproof lining, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. Your snowboard will stay safe and dry. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's water-resistant to protect your snowboard from unexpected rain or snow. The bag is well padded to ensure your snowboard arrives safely. Its heavy-duty wheels make airport and parking lot navigation a breeze. If you prioritize protection and easy maneuverability, this is the bag for you. What people say. Very robust. Large metal zippers, the inside is made with a waterproof tarp-like material, the canvas outside is heavy and durable, and all the stitching looks well done. Wheels roll great. The pockets compartments on this bag are a good send. Great for gloves, face shields, socks, spare parts, etc. One inside, one large one in the front and then a felt-lined one in the back. Number 4. Demon United Phantom Bag. This bag is designed for the ultimate snowboarding adventure. It's built to withstand the rigors of airline travel, protecting your gear from damage. It features extra thick 1680 denier fabric to resist abrasions. Multiple carry options, a tow handle, shoulder strap, and carry handle, make it easy to transport. With dimensions of 65L x 14W x 7D, it comfortably fits 2 snowboards, bindings, boots, and all your other snowboarding essentials. There's even an exterior pocket for accessories. It's fully padded on all sides with thick foam and has a waterproof lining to keep your gear safe and dry. You can rest assured your equipment is well protected. Large, 3.5-inch rubberized all-terrain wheels and 16-inch curb rails ensure easy maneuverability and protection during airport travel. You'll glide through the terminal with ease. Backed by the Demon Shred Guarantee warranty, it's a reliable choice for all your snowboarding trips. Your investment is protected. What we like. This bag is built to withstand the rigors of airline travel thanks to its extra durable material. It boasts a huge capacity, fitting 2 snowboards and all your gear. The XL wheels roll smoothly over any terrain. If you need to transport multiple boards and lots of gear, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit all your gear and then some. Boards, boots, helmets, jackets, etc. I easily fit a size 154 board with bindings, boots, helmet, and all my clothes. Had some room to spare for toiletries and other stuff. Fit both my 142 and boyfriend's 150 with bindings on easily. Still room to pack some gear in too. Wheels roll great. Number 3. Tonesport Snowboard Bag. It's got 360-degree padding to keep your snowboard safe during air travel. The durable fabric ensures it'll last for many trips. This bag easily fits your snowboard, boots, and all your other gear. There's even a separate pocket for your valuables. With comfortable backpack straps, you can carry it hands-free. Makes navigating the airport a breeze. The wraparound zipper lets you open it completely for easy packing. Heavy-duty zippers ensure quick access to your gear. It's backed by our 2-year warranty. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a high-quality product. Get yours today and experience the ultimate in snowboard travel protection. What we like. It offers 360-degree padding for ultimate protection of your snowboard. There's plenty of room for all your gear, and the backpack straps provide a convenient carrying option. If you value comprehensive protection and hands-free carrying, this bag is ideal. What people say. The fit was perfect and the contents were stable even when I was carrying it backpack style. Large enough to hold board, binding, boots, helmet, snow gear. Enough padding to keep things safe. Backpack straps and over-shoulder strap. The bag looks sturdy and survived its first airplane ride without issues. The user likes to carry it as a backpack and is taking advantage of the extra room to pack clothes without the need to bring another suitcase for a short trip. Number 2. Winterial Rolling Bag. This bag makes transporting your winter sports gear effortless. Its expandable design and durable construction ensure your equipment arrives safely and securely. It comfortably fits 2 snowboards or 2 sets of skis up to 70 inches long. The roll-top closure allows for easy adjustment to accommodate various sizes. The waterproof inner lining protects your gear from moisture, keeping everything dry from start to finish. You can even stack your boards without worry. Maneuver it easily through airports and snowy terrain with the impact-resistant rubber wheels. Say goodbye to struggling with heavy bags. It's designed to withstand the rigors of air travel. The padded interior protects your valuable equipment during transit. The reinforced backing prevents sagging, protecting your gear from damage. It's built to last, trip after trip. What we like. Its expandable design accommodates multiple boards or skis. The waterproof liner keeps your gear dry, and the impact-resistant wheels ensure smooth rolling. If you need extra space and reliable protection, this bag is a great option. What people say. My board, boots, jacket, pants, helmet, gloves, and goggles all fit perfectly and weighed in at 36 pounds, which is the 4 pounds under the requirement for the I-checked bag requirement. The wheels made it so simple to traverse through the long airport corridors, and the double-hand handles made it easy to load in a vehicle or on the scale at the airport. The compartments are just the right number. It has heavy-duty grips on the front to get it in and out of your car. It has an awesome middle pouch where you can put your helmet and 2 pair of snow pants for quick access. It fits a 159 cm board beautifully, and the roll-up extension at the end is amazing. It easily fits 2 pairs of skis 170 cm, 160 cm, 2 helmets, 2 pairs of ski boots, and 2 pairs of ski poles. Number 1. Ultimate Double Snowboard Bag. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for your snowboarding adventures. It's designed with premium materials and features to ensure your gear arrives safe and sound. This bag provides complete protection for your boards. The padded design and durable outer shell safeguard your equipment from bumps and scratches during travel. It's sized to perfectly fit 2 boards and bindings. No more bulky, oversized bags. This one is designed for efficient packing and easy transport. It's built to last with reinforced construction, compression straps, and double stitching. It's ready to withstand the rigors of travel. The water-resistant material keeps your gear dry, while the interior organization helps you keep everything in its place. Travel with peace of mind. We're confident you'll love this bag. That's why it comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This is a top-of-the-line bag with 360-degree padding for superior protection. It's designed to be compact and efficient, holding 2 boards without excess bulk. If you want a premium, well-designed bag that's perfectly sized, this is for you. What people say. Good padding, room for jacket, pants, etc., and rolls well. A very high-quality bag with a surprisingly low cost. The bag is padded, however, you should still wrap your snowboard edges up a bit with clothes towel to be extra safe. Plenty of space to allow for wrapping your board up in more protection. It's powdered, but just to be safe, wrap edges of your board so it won't damage the bag. This will fit a lot of stuff, your boot, jackets, pants, helmet and more. I like the straps on the outside to keep the bag together if the shower fails for some reason. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.